Now number 4, salt of weak acid, last one is there, and weak base. This is the last number equations there actually. Now suppose the consider be a salt of, in general, salt of weak acid and weak base is there. Weak acid and weak base is there. Now hydrolysis reaction of B. Hydrolysis reaction of B is given as hydrolysis reaction of salt BA is given as काय होणार बी हा जनरल सॉल्ट घेतलेला आहे प्लस H2O वॉटर इट गिव्स HA प्लस BOH. Suppose BA it is a salt is there, HA weak acid and BOH weak base. Now according to ionic forms there, ionic form, equation number 1 is there, B plus A minus H2O, so HA BOH is there. This is the equation 2 is there. Because here there is a cations and anions are present there, and so reacts both are water is there. Therefore, there is a weak acid and a weak base can be formed directly. So this process undergoes hydrolysis process. Hydrolysis process directly. Now here, no 3 cases can be present directly. Now in above equation 3, above equation 2, we conclude that there is a 3 conclusions are seen directly. If number A, if Ka is greater than Kb, then solution will be acidic directly. पहिला K म्हणजे काय डिसोसिएशन कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ ऍसिड, Kb म्हणजे काय डिसोसिएशन कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ बेस. Ka is greater than Kb, then solution will be acidic. आता सेकंड जो पॉइंट आहे, if Ka is less than Kb, then solution will be basic. आणि number 3, if Ka is equal to Kb, both values are same, then solution is a neutral there actually. Now such a way conclusions are present there actually. Now first conclusion we have to see one by one there. आपण जे conclusion काढलेले आहे ते पाहूया. पहिला conclusion आहे, a salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. जर समजा सोल्युशन त्यामध्ये A salt of weak acid and weak base for which Ka is greater than Kb. Now there is a one example is there, NH4F is acidic in nature, then explain it. Questions is comes ammonium chloride is acidic in nature, explain it. तर त्यासाठी काय आहे हे दाखवावं लागेल तुम्हाला, हायड्रोलायसिस रिएक्शन दाखवावं लागेल. त्यामध्ये म्हणजे के ची व्हॅल्यू ही केबी पेक्षा जास्त आहे दाखवावं लागेल, तर तुमचं आन्सर हे पूर्ण होतं आणि हे 2 मार्काला येतं. आता कन्सिडर आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आहे NH4F म्हणजे नाव काय अमोनियम क्लोराइड विथ द सॉल्ट ऑफ वीक ऍसिड आणि वीक बेस. देन हायड्रोलायसिस रिएक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट इज रिटन ॲज काय लिहितो आपण NH4F plus H2O. इट गिव्स HF and NH4OH is there. HF weak acid, NH4OH weak base is there. So the ionic form of above reaction written as follows. NH4F, there are cations and anions. NH4 ammonium cations, chloride anions plus H2O. It gives HF plus NH4OH is there actually. This is a aqueous solutions are present there. So in the bottom side aqueous only written is there actually. Thus here the HF is there is a slightly stronger than NaOH is there. Ammonium hydroxide. The two above ions reacts with the water as त्यामध्ये दोन आयन्स आहेत. दोन्ही आयन्सचं सेपरेशन आपण आयनिक फॉर्मेशन दाखवायचं आहे विथ द रिएक्ट्स विथ द वॉटर. पहिला जो आहे कॅटन्स आहे NH4. इट रिएक्ट्स विथ द water, it gives H3O hydronium plus NH4OH, number 1 equation. And दूसरा जे आहे क्लोराइड आहे, so F reacts with the H2O, it gives HF and OH minus is there. This is the equation number 2 is there. In equation number 1, H3O ions moves more as compared to equation number 2, OH ions is there. So NH4 ions are slightly stronger as an acid than chloride ions is there. Therefore, NH4F, ammonium chloride, is slightly acidic and turns a blue litmus paper red. Hence, NH4F is acidic in nature. हा पहिला प्रश्न तुमचा झाला. म्हणजे तुम्हाला प्रश्न आला NH4F is acidic in nature, एक्सप्लेन करा. म्हटलं तर हे सर्व लिहावं लागेल. दुसरा आहे आपण काय बघायचं आहे, K is less than Kb, a salt of weak acid and weak base. For which K is less than Kb. त्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल आहे NH4Cl, ammonium cyanide is basic in nature. Explain it. हे जर तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल एक्सप्लेन करायचं असेल तर त्या एक्झाम्पलचं हायड्रोलिसिस लिहावं लागेल. बघा, consider NH4Cl be a salt of weak acid and weak base. Okay. Then the hydrolysis reaction given as काय होणार, NH4Cl plus H2 gives HCl weak acid, NH4OH weak base directly. नंतर काय लिहितो आपण, in the ionic form the reaction is given as काय NH4Cl चा ionization ammonium plus cyanide plus water remains as it is. HCl weak acid remains as it is. NH4OH weak base remain as it is there actually. So therefore the base NH4 is stronger than acid HCl in this equation there actually. The two ions react to the water. The reaction is given as काय होणार, NH4 त्यामध्ये अमोनियम आणि सायनाइड आयन हे दोन अमोनियम आयन्स आहे, सायनाइड आयन्स आहे, reacts with the water. So therefore equation is H3O plus NH4OH equation 1. दूसरा जो आयन्स आहे सायनाइड plus H2 HCl plus OH minus equation number 2 is there. In equation number 2, हे equation 2 मध्ये there is a more hydroxide ions than H3O ions is there actually. Therefore the solution of NH4Cl is basic and turns a red musk blue. Therefore NH4Cl is a basic in nature is there. तिसरा असा आहे, when K is greater than Kb, dissociation constant of acid is equal to dissociation constant of base. Then which is a type is there. This the example is the ammonium acetate CH3COONH4 is a neutral solution. Explain it. तर त्यामध्ये आपणाला आता यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल CH3COONH4 आहे, म्हणजे अमोनियम acetate नाव आहे. बी द सॉल्ट ऑफ काय आहे, वीक ऍसिड आणि वीक बेस. पहिल्यांदा काय लिहितो, देन फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू राईट द हायड्रोलिसिस रिएक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट इज देअर CH3COONH4 plus H2. What remains? CH3COOH weak acid, NH4OH weak base is there. Second ला काय लिहितो, इन द आयनिक थेरी इन द आयन्स फॉर्मेशन written is as follows. CH3CONH4 there is a two ions there, one is the anion, second is the cation there. CH3CONH4 plus H2, CH3COH weak acid, NH4OH weak base as remain as it is. The two ions reacts with the water and it is first the CH3CO ions there reacts with the water, gives a acetic acid OH minus, equation number 1. Second ions NH4 ions there, NH4 plus twice is 2, hydronium ions plus NH4 OH minus. This is the equation number 2. As Ka is equal to Kb, the relative strength of acid and base produced in a hydrolysis reaction is the same. Hence, solution is neutral. In hydrolysis, NH4 produces is a similar way. S3 ions and CH3COA produces OH minus ions there. Both the Ka is equal to Kb there actually. And so therefore, the given solution is a neutral. Now, one question asked, CH3CONH4 is a neutral solution, explain it. Then you write down all the information about this shortage actually. Then the answer comes there actually. Now then we have to see next point. In this way there is a 4 types of hydrolysis there actually. This hydrolysis type is a completed there actually. Now then we have to see buffer solution. बफर सोल्युशन म्हणजे काय हे आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे. बफर सोल्युशन म्हणजे काय? A solution which resists the. Now we have to see in the next point buffer solution. What is definition of buffer solution? There is a number of buffer solutions are present there. Now buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists the change in pH value when a small amount of strong acid or strong base or water is added to it. म्हणजे बफर सोल्युशन म्हणजे काय की ज्या सोल्युशनचा पीएच बदलत नाही. आपण ज्या वेळेला एखादा स्ट्रॉंग ऍसिड किंवा स्ट्रॉंग बेस किंवा पाण्याबरोबर डायल्युशन केलं तरी त्या सोल्युशनचा पीएच बदलत नाही. अशा सर्व सोल्युशनना बफर सोल्युशन म्हणतात. लक्षात. नाउ देन वी हॅव टू सी टाइप्स ऑफ बफर सोल्युशन. देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ बफर सोल्युशन्स. बफर सोल्युशनचे 2 टाइप आहेत. त्यामध्ये पहिला जो टाइप आहे ऍसिडिक बफर सोल्युशन used to maintain the acidic pH, and second type basic buffer solution which is used to maintain the alkaline pH. Number 1 we have to see in detail. Acidic buffer solution is there. Now what is that is the definition there. Acidic buffer solution म्हणजे काय? A solution containing a weak acid and its salt with a strong base is called as acidic buffer solution. Its pH is less than 7. जो acidic buffer असेल त्याचा पीएच हा 7 पेक्षा कमी असतो. हे तुम्हाला माहित आहे का बघा. पीएच 0 to 6.9 then the solution is called as acidic solution is there. When pH is equal to 7 then solution is called as a neutral solution. आणि third point आहे when pH is greater than 7 the solution is called as a basic buffer solution there. Now first we have to see what is the example of acidic buffer solution. A solution, you know the weak acid and there is a strong salt there actually. Weak acid CH3COH, acidic acid CH3CONA, sodium acetate. When mixed both each other then the mixture is called as a acidic buffer solution. And acidic buffer solution pH is a 4.7 there actually. Now pH of buffer solution is given by the equation. Equation is there. pH is equal to pK plus log to the base 10 salt upon acid. The equation number 1 is there actually. Where pK is equal to minus log K. K म्हणजे काय? Dissociation constant of acid. Where the K dissociation constant of acid. हा जो इक्वेशन आहे हे इक्वेशन महत्वाचं आहे. pH is equal to pK. pK म्हणजे काय? Dissociation constant of acid plus log to the base 10 salt upon acid. हे झालं ऍसिडिक बफर सोल्युशन. यामध्ये काय महत्वाचं आहे, व्हॉट इज अ बफर सोल्युशन डेफिनेशन. हो ऍसिडिक बफर इज प्रिपेअर्ड इन देअर ऍक्च्युअली, आणि व्हॉट इज विच इज द सोल्युशन ऑफ ऍसिडिक बफर सोल्युशन इन देअर ऍक्च्युअली. आता सेकंड जो नाउ वी हैव टू सी द बेसिक बफर सोल्युशन. नाउ व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन, a solution containing a weak base and it is salts with a strong acid is called as a basic buffer solution. Its pH is greater than 7 is there actually. A solution containing a weak base such as a NH4OH and a salt such as a NH4Cl is a basic buffer solution. So that is a NH4OH plus NH4Cl. This mixture is called as a basic buffer solution. NH4OH ammonium hydroxide, NH4Cl ammonium chloride is called as a basic buffer solution. Now then we have to see the pOH of basic buffer is given by the pOH is equal to काय होईल, pKb plus log to the base 10 salt upon base. Equation number 3, pKb is equal to minus log to the 10 Kb. Kb is a dissociation constant of base direction. The equation 3 is known as Henderson-Hasselbalch equations directly. So this equation is a very important direction. So here the acidic buffer solution, basic buffer solution in this way prepared directly. Also the equation can be used there. Now then we have to see buffer action. Now what is actually buffer action? We know that acidic buffer is a mixture of sodium acetate and acetic acid is there. Sodium acetate CH3CONe is a strong electrolyte, so it completely dissociates as below. CH3CONe, sodium acetate. There are two ions can be found. One is the anion, second is the cation. Acetate anions, sodium cations is there actually. So larger concentration of ions is there actually. On the other hand, acetic acid is a weak acid, CH3COH. CH3COH is a weak acid, and so the concentration ions are under dissociated highly because they are do not ionize, they are under dissociation. It is a highly powered actually. But here in the buffer action there are two cases can be found here actually. When strong acid HCl, that is HCl, there is a H plus ions are added in there actually. This is the part number 1 is there actually. And so another part, when a strong base OH minus, any base is the hydroxide ions are present there actually. So we have to see the first part is there. So you know the CH3COA the acetate ions is there. So react with the hydrogen ions in the acid is there actually. So what becomes what produces acetic acid, aqueous solutions can be produced there actually. So pH of this buffer solution remains a constant there actually. So here when acid HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 added in a corresponding solution, then there is no change in a pH value. The pH value of the solution remains a constant there actually. Now second point, when a strong base hydroxide ions is added, now the sodium acetate is actually CH3COH. Here the OH minus is added. Acetic acid मध्ये hydroxide ion किंवा alkali NaOH किंवा KOH. CH3COA and H2O remains as it is. Practically pH value is the same. So in this way buffer action can be carried there.